Learning Resources Letter Construction School Activity Set In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 853 ratings and 159 reviews. 90% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Endless fun. My son loves learning, so these were just perfect for him. He loves to spell, so we are able to spell out his name and our last name. If you plan on spelling out the whole ABCs at once, you'll need to buy maybe another set or two. It does come with hot cards to help your little one know which pieces they will need, smiley face." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Not easy for little hands. I loved the fact that these letters were in curved and straight shapes. But the problem that my kindergartners had was they could not snap them together to make the letters stay. That's it.
Building letters is a snap with the letter construction activity set. Snap together color-coded pieces to build upper and lowercase letters, plus fine motor skills too. Children can separate the pieces into matching piles and then start constructing the alphabet piece by piece. With 60 pieces in all, including straight lines, curves, C-curves, hooks, and dots, children can build accurate upper and lowercase letters in just a few steps. 13 double-sided activity cards with step-by-step directions guide children in piece-by-piece letter construction. An activity guide also offers options for the different ways children can explore letters. Practice letter recognition and build a sturdy foundation for pre-writing with the Letter Construction Activity Set by Learning Resources for ages 3+.
One.
What's E?
E.
What's this one?
What's that one?
F.
F.
What's this one? G.
G.
What's this one?
What's that one?
G.
G.
What's this one?
What is that?
H.
H.
What's this one?
What is that one?
I.
I. Good job.